Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now. My favorite 4 hours time frame, and as we all know, gold USD is trading in a narrow range, or not narrow actually, in a range for quite some time, because 1830 is posing as a strong resistance. 1830 is a strong resistance for the market, whereas 1790 is acting as a support for the market. So whenever market is coming down, it is getting the required support from the 1790 level. Okay, and on the other hand, it is clear to us that whenever market is going up, 1830 is the level that is not allowing the market to cross. Here you can see that whenever price touch the 1830 level, the price failed to go up, and similarly price is not unable to cross the 1790 level on the downside. Therefore, this is the resistance for the market and this level is the support for the market. The market is trading between these two lines only, so we can easily consider this as a sideways market. And generally, in a sideways market, we get a buying opportunity if market bounces from the support, and on the other hand, we can short the market if market reverses from the resistance. Okay, that is the basic trading strategy for a sideways market. So, considering the basic strategy, if market comes down to the 1790 level, okay, and if market reverses from this particular level, you can easily go for buy. Just make sure that you have the confirmation in the form of a hammer or a good green candle like this, or price rejection from below. Once you get the confirmation that market is still respecting 1790 as a valid support, then you can easily click on the buy button. And most importantly, today NFP report is about to come up. If you do not know about NFP report, then it's a non-firm payroll report that comes on every Friday and first Friday of the month. So you'll find about, if you want to know more in detail about the NFP report, what is it and how does it affect the market, then you just go to my website avilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find the economic calendar. Okay, under economic calendar, just only focus on the high impact new events. So today you can see that after 8 hours 33 minutes, we have the non-firm payroll. So previous data was 850,000 and they are expecting, and there is a forecast of 870,000. So in case, okay, listen to me carefully. In case market fails to meet this forecast, in case market fails to meet this forecast, then dollar will go down, and dollar going down means gold going up. In case market gives a better report than than the forecast, then dollar will go up and gold will go down. So they are very much correlated, so you should always be aware of the important events in the market. So I'll request you to make it a habit to go to the economic calendar during the morning and just try to find out what are the important events for the day. You do not need all this information, just go to the more here, just uncheck the low impact medium, and just give importance or focus on the high impact news. Just click on the save button, then you will see what are the important events for the day. And the best thing is that you will also see the previous data, what is the consensus or forecast. And if you want to know more about it, once you click on it, you will understand, or you'll get the proper information how to trade, how does it affect the market and all. So NFP report for this Friday is extremely important, and NFP report is one of the most important driving factors of the market. Therefore, so every trader will keep his eyes on the NFP report for the day. So until and unless the strategy remains same, if market bounces from here, go for a buy. If market goes up and reverses from 1830 level, you can easily go for sell. But keep in mind, if NFP report comes good, dollar starts going up, gold will go down, short the market. And if NFP report is bad, market fails to meet the forecast of the NFP report, then dollar will start going down, and you can easily click on the buy button at gold USD. So this is the simple strategy that you can also follow for gold USD for Friday. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again with the analysis for the next week. Bye bye.